In previous lecture we discussed array. In this lecture we discuss the pointer. Pointer is a one derived data type and it is also a variable, common variable. But the pointer is a variable which hold address of another variable, that is called as a pointer. Pointer is a variable which hold address of another variable. Declaration or syntax. How we can be declare the pointer variable or how we can be use the pointer variable in program. Syntax is data type star and variable name. This variable is a pointer variable name. First we give the data type and we use the star operator. Then we use or give pointer variable name. Here data type is any valid data type in C++ and star is a pointer or star is a operator which is hold memory address of another variable. That is the definition. Pointer is a variable which hold address of another variable. It can't hold the value, but it hold address of another variable. So we call as a pointer. It can be point to the another variable, that is address of that the variable. Here data type is any valid data type. It may be the integer, it may be the float. Then we use the star operator. Next we give the pointer variable name. Here variable name is any valid variable name which obeys the variable declaration rules. For example, int star t. Here int is an integer, star is an operator and p is a pointer variable. Pointer variable is hold address of integer variable which is declared before this the statement. For example, before this statement we use or we declared int a. By using this statement, it is clear that the pointer is a p variable which hold memory address of the integer variable. Which is the integer variable? Before declaration of this the pointer, we declared a common variable int a. Address of a variable is hold in a p variable. Because here p is a pointer variable and it hold memory address of another variable. That is a declaration and example. Here p can't store any value. For example, in a previous lecture we say that the a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20 or p is equal to 30. Here p is not a common variable. Here p is a pointer variable which hold memory address of integer variable which is declared before this the statement, that is a. Address of a is hold in a p. Suppose memory address of the a or a is stored in y010x. This is the memory address of the computer where a variable can be held and this content is of a p. It is a content of a P because P is a pointer variable which hold memory address of the another variable which is in a data type. Here int is not a data type of a P. It tells just the P is a pointer variable which hold memory address of a integer variable which is declared in a previous part. That is a pointer. Next, in a board examination, 3 marks question can be asked. What is a pointer and give advantages of the pointer. Definition is the pointer is a variable which hold the memory address of the another variable. Next we declare syntax is short example. Then we give advantages of the pointer. What is the advantages of the pointer? First one is it allows to pass variable, array, function, string, object as a function. As a functional arguments or the functional variable. In a functions, we use the arguments. These arguments may be passed the array, function, string, object as a pointer, or simply pointer variable can be passed argument of the function, functional argument or the function's argument. It may be, when it is a argument, it may be the array, it may be the function again, it may be the string or the object. That is the first advantages. It allows to pass variable, function, string, object as a functional argument. The pointer variable, second one is a pointer variable. It allows to return structured variable from a function. Structured variable, structured it is a user defined data type. In a next lectures or the next point will be the structure. We can be study that the structured variable can be returned or pointer allows to return structured variable from a function. Function पासून structured variable return करण्यासाठी आपण पॉइंटरचा वापर करू शकतो. Third one is it support. Most important is it support dynamic allocation and deallocation of a memory segment. That is allocate it indicate or the giving, deallocate it can be destroyed or taking. By using the pointer we can be allocate, we assign as much as memory possible to the variable as well as we can be deallocate memory from that the variable. That is the main advantages of the pointer. Fourth one, variable can be swapped without physical moving them. Variable can be used anywhere in the program without moving their the physical position. That is a fourth one advantages. That is variable swapped without physical moving them. And last one, by using the pointer or the pointer establish link between data elements. It can be established link between data elements or the variables or the objects. That is the occur by using the pointer. That is the advantages of the pointer. If it, in a board examination, if the question asks what is a pointer, give the advantages of the pointer. The first 1 marks is given to the definition of the pointer and any 4 advantages give the 2 marks. Each advantages contain or give the half marks. Totally 4 advantages when we can be give. We got the 2 marks. The definition 1 marks. Totally 3 marks question asked on a pointer. And mostly the in a filling the blanks, the question can be asked dash dash is store the address of the another variable. The correct answer is a pointer store the address of the another variable. It is not a common variable. It is just a variable which hold memory address of the another variable. That is called as a pointer. Thank you.